Could the universe be hiding evidence of advanced civilizations? Since the dawn of humanity, we've looked to the skies and wondered, are we alone? For centuries, this question has haunted philosophers, scientists, and dreamers alike. But what if the answer has been staring us in the face all along, hidden in the stars themselves? Imagine a distant star shining a little too dim, or flickering in a way that defies explanation. Imagine a colossal structure so vast it encircles an entire sun, capturing its energy. Could this be evidence not of nature, but of technology? This is where the mystery of alien megastructures begins. What exactly are alien megastructures? When we talk about alien megastructures, we mean engineering projects so colossal that they dwarf anything humans could dream of today. Think of a city the size of a continent, then stretch the thought until you cover a star. The most famous idea is the Dyson sphere, first proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960. He imagined that any advanced civilization would eventually outgrow the resources of their home planet. To survive, they would need to capture energy on a stellar scale. The solution? Surround your star with an artificial shell or swarm of satellites, harvesting nearly all of its light. Other concepts include stellar engines, machines designed to move entire stars through the galaxy. Some designs, like the Shkotov thruster, use giant mirrors to create a push of radiation pressure, slowly drifting the star to a new cosmic neighborhood. These ideas sound like science fiction. But if intelligent life has had millions or even billions of years longer than us to evolve, why wouldn't they attempt the impossible? What would a Dyson sphere look like from Earth? If a civilization built a Dyson sphere, we wouldn't see their star in the usual way. The visible light would be blocked. Instead, we detect an odd infrared glow, the waste heat of technology radiating back into space. Astronomers have already seen stars with strange patterns of dimming, most famously Tabby's star, also known as KIC 8,462,852. In 2015, scientists noticed its light was flickering in irregular ways, unlike anything expected from natural stellar processes. Some speculated it might be a Dyson sphere under construction. The excitement was electric. Headlines around the world screamed about alien megastructures. Was this it? The smoking gun? Sadly, later research suggested more mundane explanations, like clouds of cosmic dust. But the mystery isn't fully closed, and Tabby's star remains one of the most enigmatic objects we've ever found. Could alien technology be mistaken for natural phenomena? Here lies the biggest challenge in the search for alien megastructures. The universe is stranger than we can imagine. Exotic stars, black holes, dust clouds, and gravitational lensing can mimic the signals we might attribute to technology. But here's the twist: what if the opposite is true? What if some of the natural phenomena we observe are actually artificial? Could pulsars, those rapidly spinning neutron stars, once have been mistaken for cosmic lighthouses, until we realize they were natural? If something equally bizarre and artificial exists, we might dismiss it the same way today. This is why the hunt for alien megastructures is as much philosophy as science. It forces us to ask, how do we know what is truly natural, and what is engineered? How advanced would a civilization need to be? To even dream of megastructures, a civilization must achieve technological levels far beyond our own. Scientists use the Kardashev scale to measure this progress. Type I civilizations harness all the energy of their home planet. Type II civilizations capture the energy of their star, the level where Dyson spheres come in. Type III civilizations control the power of entire galaxies. We, humans, aren't even fully Type I yet. We're still struggling with fossil fuels and renewable energy. But if life is common in the universe, some civilizations could be millions of years older. Imagine what humanity might achieve in 100,000 years, let alone a million. If alien megastructures exist, they are likely the work of Type II or Type III civilizations, being so advanced they would seem godlike to us. Why haven't we found them yet? If megastructures are out there, why don't we see them everywhere? The truth may be chilling. One possibility is the Great Filter, the idea that civilizations rarely survive long enough to reach this level. War, climate collapse, or cosmic disasters may wipe them out before they spread across the stars. Another possibility is that they are hiding. Advanced civilizations may deliberately camouflage their megastructures to avoid detection, a kind of galactic dark forest, where silence is survival. And perhaps the most unsettling idea, maybe we have already found them, but we simply don't recognize what we're seeing. What if we confirmed alien megastructures tomorrow? Picture the moment. Astronomers announce that they've discovered a star emitting energy signatures no natural process can explain. Peer-reviewed studies confirm it. This is alien engineering on a cosmic scale. The world would never be the same. Religions would struggle, governments would panic, and humanity's place in the universe would be forever altered. Are they peaceful? Are they watching us? Or are we nothing more than ants glimpsing a distant highway? The knowledge alone, that we are not alone, would change every aspect of our civilization. Could humanity ever build our own megastructures? The idea feels absurd today. But so did flight to our ancestors. So did space travel, computers, and genetic engineering. If humanity survives long enough, Dyson swarms could one day power our future. Stellar engines might help us avoid cosmic threats. Megastructures could transform us into a Type 2 civilization, ensuring our survival for billions of years. The question isn't just whether alien megastructures exist. It's whether we will ever become the kind of civilization capable of building our own. Are the stars silent? Or are they speaking through structures? Every night, the universe beams its secrets down to us. Some lights are steady, others flicker, and some whisper mysteries we can't yet decode. Perhaps, hidden in those patterns, is the evidence we crave. Not a radio signal. Not a spaceship. But something far greater, the fingerprints of cosmic engineering. If we ever uncover such a truth, it will be the most profound discovery in human history. Because in that moment, the stars will stop being distant fires, and will become the lanterns of civilizations far older, far wiser, and far beyond our wildest imagination. Sparkles emoji, and so we return to the question, what if we found alien megastructures? Would we tremble in fear? Celebrate with wonder? Or would we realize that, in a universe filled with intelligence, humanity is still just taking its first small steps into the infinite night?